Well, welcome into the messy but improving garage. I've got a couple products that I want to apply to the lawn today. They are brand new products to the Yard Mastery website. I'm very excited to show you these. I actually had these for several months now. Just been waiting for all the logistical stuff to happen on Yard Mastery, but now I'm actually going to be applying them, showing you what these two are, how they work, what they're made to do, and go from there. So with that, let's get started. So I'm really excited to show you these products. These are brand new products, part of a whole entire line of products released to the Yard Mastery site. These all come from Ecologel, and if you're familiar with Ecologel, they are the makers of Hydretain. So the same company behind Hydretain is bringing these products to you via Yard Mastery. So I'm going to be applying two of them today. I also have a couple other products down over at my project house that I've been working on. So you'll see those in action sometime along the line of that project as well. But today, EnviroPlex and CytoGrow are the products that I'm going to be mixing together in my backpack sprayer and applying to my lawn. So just a brief overview. EnviroPlex, this is a humic acid solution, 22% humic acid. Recommended application rate is 3 to 6 ounces per thousand in 1 gallon of water. So that's going down today. And then the second product is going to be CytoGrow. Now CytoGrow is pretty cool. It's a small quart bottle, but this small quart bottle goes a long way. A long way. Initial application is 1 ounce per thousand. Subsequent applications 0.4 ounces per thousand square feet. So this is going to last a long time. This product is a root growth promoter. So this is similar to RGS, other products like that. So think of this as your root growth stimulator. These, like I said, are available on Yard Mastery. I'm working these into my rotation with the next line of products. So I'm alternating when I apply these because we have a humic solution, we have an RGS comparable here. So those are just going to be mixed up in my strategy, alternating applications together. So check these out on Yard Mastery. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can take a look at those, get a little bit more information. Let's get these mixed up in the tank, put them on the lawn. Alright, so that's all done. Everything's applied. That went very smoothly. I am going to leave a link in the description for a video I did all about my sprayer setup, the tips I'm using, how I'm connecting the tips to the sprayer wand. I always get questions on that, so I decided to make a video. So make sure that you check out the link in the description below for that. I'm going to go ahead and water this in. All of this works in the soil and the root zone, so I want to make sure that gets down there as fast as possible. Also, it's going to be 100 degrees today, so why not give the lawn a little extra water? Not going to hurt anything, right? So that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for me today. Make sure you check out these products. The links are in the description below, and maybe add them to your program. Might be worth it. Might be worth mixing it up with some new stuff. That doesn't hurt either. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.